I know very little of SRK. As a fan, I've always been watching his films and everything. And I've seen fewer films of Salman Khan, to be very frank. One of the next projects I'm doing it is with Mr. Venkat Prabhu, who did Manadu recently, who has done Mangat, is a brilliant director. One thing about cinema, irrelevant to how much you still encounter something new and we're still learning. So I guess it's a game which will be going on. I just finished Koti Gobba 3 right now, which is a dual role. I don't know. There is a script that we are working on, which is a dual role again, but not like a villain and villain. Hi, this is Kicha Sudeepa here, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
We've taken a few fan questions. There are many of them, but let's try and take at least a few. This is, we have a question from Sanvi Sudeep. So what relationship advice would you like to give to your daughter?
I'm taking advices from her of late. She's grown up now and she's giving me advices, so I think I've stopped giving advices, and yeah, I know where this is coming from. So yes, Sanvi, I'll talk to you in person, baby.
So how special is this relationship?
I think she's special to us, and very, what do you say, there has been many number of years that I have only been working and I have not been able to spend at all. That is where this question is coming from. So I think today we make a lot of time and we chat, though right now she's getting used to talking to me, so she's very talented, and I think I'm quite very proud of her, what she is, and yeah, it's always special to have her around.
All right. Okay, so Sanvi, I hope that this answers your question and you can have a discussion with your father. All right, this is Liku from Odisha. My question is, sir, what is your next project in Bollywood, and why S.S. Rajamouli hadn't said about the character Aslam Khan?
That's two questions together. My next question, in Bollywood, I have not agreed upon anything in a concrete way, because I guess, probably the characters I look forward to, the scripts I look forward to, they're all coming to me from my home and the neighboring places there in South. And whatever's coming from here is all mainly to do with the antagonist part and things like that, which I'm not very comfortable, unless and until it is really some challenging role. Yeah, so apart from that, yeah, we are making films from there, which is going to be released here also. So one of the next projects I'm doing it is with Mr. Venkat Prabhu, who did Manadu recently, who has done Mangat, is a brilliant director. I'm quite excited to be working with him. So it's a brilliant script.
And why S.S. Rajamouli hasn't said about the character Aslam Khan?
That I think only he can answer. Nobody asked him why you were telling Bahubali stories. Why should we question him about Aslam Khan right now? I think he's the creator of every character. He's the creator of every story. I'm sure he has enough good reasons as to why he adds or deletes.
All right. This is Karan from Tamil Nadu. When you're going to film with Thalapathy Vijay again, and what you learned from your Tamil cinema industry, whom do you love most, Salman or SRK? Need frank answer.
Yeah, I always try and be frank only, sir. And Vijay is a very sweet guy when I worked with him, and he's a huge star. But then, when working on set, you will never get to an epitome of that stardom he doesn't carry. He doesn't carry a baggage. That's one thing very nice working with him. He just comes simple, and he's a simple man, and it's very easy to work with him. And he's a director's actor. I don't see him too much into things and, trying to be, he's not an insecure guy. So I think it makes it simple to work with him. And it's always fun to work with him if it always there. Because few things are there. Whenever he makes a film, it's always a larger than life film. So there's a beautiful things you get to play and everything. And as I told you, I know him very well and we get along well. So I guess it's always fun to work with him. And what is the next part?
Salman or SRK?
No, there's another Tamil something.
What do you learn from your Tamil cinema industry?
Well, I just learned that, wherever you come from, if you deliver, they accept you wholeheartedly. See, many people from different languages have come there and made it big in Tamil Nadu. So they are very giving people, as in when somebody comes there and if you satisfy them, they wholeheartedly embrace you and take you inside. That's something I've learned, and they unconditionally love their actors. They put them in a different pedestal.
That's true.
It's something else. It's a great feeling, though. And the respect that I have got because of only few films I've done there, Whenever I go there, I feel very nice, whether it's Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh. I go there, there's something else they look into, and it feels good as complete as an actor. Yeah, damn good, man. I mean, thank you, sir. It just immediately humbles you down.
No, absolutely.
That's all it is. And the last part,
Salman or SRK?
I think I know very little of SRK. As a fan, I've always been watching his films and everything. And I've seen fewer films of Salman Khan, to be very frank, compared to what I've seen of SRK. But after when I met Mr. SK, Mr. Salman Khan, I think he doesn't leave you an option apart from loving him. So don't blame me for what I am today. And it is the fact that after I met him, I think we got along very well. See, I'm not a fan of his anymore, and it's like a family, and I love him. So that's the way it is. So there can be a fan moment with SRK, but this love part is with Salman Khan.
All right, this is Rohan from Kalaburgi, Karnataka. What impact will Vikrant Rona create on your career, market, etc.?
I think we are all excited about the story we have said right now, and the only hope is that it reaches as many people as possible. It is not about trying to make a difference in my career. It's about, at this point of the career, still trying to tell something new. I hope that reaches.
All right, that's interesting. This is Vikyat from Berlin, Germany. My question is, will Vikrant Rona be releasing in Germany and Europe in a big way, as I will not be in India during the time of the film release?
Yes, it was planned or to release in many countries. But with the present COVID situation and everything happening, I hope everything eases down so that we can actually stick to our plan.
So Europe and Germany are there?
Yes, it is there. It is there.
All right. I like Sudeep's. This is Tushar from Shimoga. I like Sudeep sir's villain acting very much, like in Ega, the villain, etc. Can we expect a double role of both hero and villain played by Sudeep sir?
I just finished Kotigoba 3 right now, which is a dual role. I don't know. There is a script that we are working on, which is a dual role again, but not like a villain and a hero type. But I hope, let's see if such miraculous things happen soon.
Hi Sudeep sir, I'm Ashwini from Bhadravati, Shimoga. I'm a huge fan of you and Vishnu sir. My question is, are you meeting your fans now? Also, every second Saturday or Sunday, tried to meet you twice before Corona but couldn't get a chance as it was not second weekend.
Yeah, I still do meet my people, but then again, when these things are increasing and when there is a protocol which the government is expecting all of us to do, we have eased down a bit little at home near my place. Otherwise every second Sunday I would, like every Sunday we would meet. After this COVID, it became every second Sunday, but right now I think we have eased down that also to just avoid certain chaos.
Of course. This is Harsha from Bangalore. Who will be the lead actor for Ashwatthama movie and when will it begin?
You're looking at me, so obviously it will be, and we are hoping to start soon, sir. And Anup has done a brilliant job with it again, so I hope to start soon.
Akash Patil from Shiva Moga. After widening
that's my birth city, Shimoga.
All right. After widening up of OTT market, cinema making style is changing and makers are eyeing to cater larger set of audience around the globe. So how is your script selection post this change?
Nothing changes. I think by the end of the day, it's a movie story, as I told you earlier, we're trying to say. Just the platforms are changing, the medium in which we are trying to tell a story, either it's theatre or either it's television. Television is, again, I'm talking about an OTT. That's all it matters. So yeah, that is a perspective, and I don't think that should matter about what are the stories we have to say. We are just still telling it.
This is Shashank from Hassan. Hassan, yeah. Recently, Kicha Sudeep also experienced theatre problems. Can we expect him as a producer, distributor, like own a bunch of theatres like AMB, so that he could understand problems in ground level and act accordingly?
No, so theatre's issues were not there. There were some other issues actually, so it was misinterpreted over there. And of course, I already am a producer, I'm already a distributor, so there are certain nuances which I still do understand. And one thing about cinema, irrelevant to how much you still encounter something new, and we're still learning. So I guess it's a game which will be going on. And of course, that only thing I just want to confirm that there were no theatrical issues over there. There were certain other issues because of which one day delay happened to the release. Hi, this is Kicha Sudeepa here, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.